Hi, my name is Ryan Torby, and I'm a former K-8 technology teacher. I'm currently pursuing my PhD in STEM education at the University of Texas at Austin. My passion is computer science. I'm making this video because I'd like to be given the opportunity to present at South by Southwest EDU. My proposal is a hands-on session where attendees would have the opportunity to explore different robots used in early elementary school classrooms. We would first cover the context in which robots are used to support computational thinking and computer science learning in kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. But the vast majority of the time would be spent in groups, rotating throughout various stations with different robots. So what does a robot that a 5-year-old can use look like? There are quite a few, and they differ in many ways. There's the robot mouse, where students use the arrows to code the robot through mazes. There's the Finch robot, where students plug in a long USB tail and then code on a computer. There's also the Caterpillar, where students are using segments of the Caterpillar robot to connect in and rearrange the directional code. So that's just a little taste of what we'll be looking at in my session. Thanks for watching my pitch video, and I hope you support my proposed session. Thanks.